Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and this is the WD My Passport for Mac. This is my favorite external hard drive I've ever owned. I've had it for forever, and it doesn't get any better than this. It's specifically made for your Mac, which, if you don't know, sometimes not everything works on your Mac, especially if you have an old one like I do. But this thing's amazing. It stores so much room, stores everything I currently have on my computer. I have so many old home videos and photos. I am the record keeper of my family, so literally everything since I was a child, my grandparents, scanned videos, transferred VHS tapes, is all on here, and my computer cannot store it. So I love that this is protected. It stays connected to my computer. It is in a travel size. As you can see, it fits in the palm of your hand, which makes it super easy to travel. So when I want to go home and show my grandparents some of their home videos, I can take it with me. It gives you all the cords that you need. The main cord that connects in is a USB adapter, which fits for my Mac, but if you have the newer Macs, it also gives you the adapter, and the adapter just plugs right in and then can plug into your updated computers. It's going to store so much room. It fits in the palm of your hand. It's easy to travel. It's easy to go places. It has it passport protected. Overall, this is an amazing external hard drive for your Mac. Make sure you have a Mac. This thing is going to work great, and you're absolutely going to love it just like I do. And that's my point of view.